Does your dog sound like a honking goose? Wait, don't ignore that. It might not just be something stuck in their throat. That harsh, dry hack is the classic sign of kennel cough. It sounds scary, like they're choking, but usually, your pup still feels like their playful self. First step, keep them away from their furry friends. It's super catchy. Then, call your vet to play it safe. A little rest and some TLC go a long way. Your pup will thank you for it. If this helped, hit that follow button for more dog parent tips, and share this to keep our fur babies safe.